Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw enduriphant. That if you guys didn't know what I just said, I said enduriphant. If you must know, enduriphant is the evolved form of Vigifant in Yokai Watch, and he has the power to resist the urge to do almost anything, but mostly to resist the urge to go to the bathroom. After all, he was trained by a man named Sir Piper Copington. He was the man who greenlit all the Directator's movies. I don't know why he did that, but I'm starting to think that Directator was kind of like abusing his power, like it's some kind of jerk. Anyways, if you guys don't like what Yokai Watch is doing to Nate and his pals, be sure to leave a comment below. And there's his hair. Next up, you just gotta draw his the things on the side of his back. Here's his ear, and here's his other ear. Okay, so I got the eyes. Next up, you just gotta draw his trunk. And let's see, okay, so a known fact about enduriphant is that he has a wooden plug in his nose as he tries to resist the liquid that's filling up inside of him. I know it's nasty, but no one has the ability to resist urination for so long. But enduriphant, well, he mostly has the power to break that limit. There's his tusk. There's his thing. There's his tusks. Next up, you just gotta draw his body. I'm beginning to wonder if I should use some, let's see. Okay, I forgot what I was just say. I'm beginning to think that maybe we should add some music to this, to our podcasts. I don't know. Let's see. There's his foot. Now I'm gonna draw his other foot. What I like about him is that he's a woolly mammoth. Wait, did I say that already? Guess not. Here's his knob here. Okay, there we go. Okay, next up, it's time to fill in his ears. And finally, his tail. And he has a... And done. That's how you draw enduriphant. I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys again soon. Till then, enduriphant!